Hello everyone, I'm Ankit Mundra and I'm excited to present my project, The CFO's Role in Driving Strategic Value in Iron and Steel Manufacturing. Objectives: analyze how external factors impact financial stability. Examine the CFO's role in cost control and sustainability. Assess how sustainability initiatives drive profitability. How I approached this. Through industry reports, case studies, CFO interviews, and survey data, I identified the financial challenges and opportunities of integrating sustainability. Key findings: CFOs are evolving into strategic leaders. Sustainability investments improve efficiency, reduce costs, and build investor trust. But challenges like regulatory complexity and cost constraints remain significant. Recommendations: invest in green technologies to cut costs and ensure compliance. Use predictive analytics to manage risks effectively. Foster collaboration between finance and operations. Engage stakeholders to enhance transparency and trust. By adopting these strategies, CFOs can ensure financial stability, sustainability, and long term growth. Thank you.